In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to Pipedrive CRM, whether you're managing a small team or overseeing a larger organization. Pipedrive's intuitive interface makes it easy to manage users and set permissions effectively. Let's dive right in to see how you can seamlessly add a new admin member to your team. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Pipedrive's homepage. You can do this by typing in the URL or simply searching for Pipedrive in your search engine. Once there, you'll find a login option, typically situated toward the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on Login. If you haven't done this before, or if it's been a while, ensure you're using the correct login credentials associated with your account. After logging in, the main Pipedrive home screen will greet you. It's here where you oversee your sales processes, but today, we're focusing on user management. So navigate towards your profile settings. This is usually accessible via an icon or a drop-down menu under your user profile image or name, often located at the top of the interface. Click on Profile to get started. Once you've accessed your profile settings, direct your attention to the Manage Users section, which is your portal to adjust user roles and permissions. Clicking on this option will present you with a list of existing users. Here, you can control not just who can access your Pipedrive account, but also what level of access each user is granted. In the list of users, select the user you would like to promote to an admin role. Clicking on the user will provide you with a detailed overview that includes various settings and adjustment options. Here, you will look for the Permission Set button. This allows you to fine-tune what this particular user can see and do within Pipedrive. After accessing the Permission Set menu, you'll be presented with several options regarding user roles. Highlight the option labeled Deals Admin and click on it. This selection will grant the user permissions aligned with administrative duties, ensuring they have the necessary capabilities to manage deals and more within your Pipedrive setup. By following these steps, you've successfully added an admin team member to your Pipedrive CRM. This setup enhances team efficiency by ensuring the right people have appropriate access levels. If you have additional users to manage, simply repeat the process for each member. And there you have it. Administrating your Pipedrive team can be both straightforward and efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep these instructions handy for any role updates in the future.